Home workouts offer numerous benefits, eliminating the need for gym memberships. Home workouts negate the need for specialized equipment, making fitness accessible to everyone. This video presents a series of home workout routines designed for various fitness levels. This beginner workout routine focuses on gentle movements and correct form. It is important to start slowly and gradually increase intensity. Listening to your body is crucial to avoid injury and maximize effectiveness. A gentle warm-up sequence is crucial for joint mobility and preparing the body for exercise. Each warm-up movement is demonstrated with clear instructions and modifications for various fitness levels. Warm-up routines enhance blood flow and reduce the risk of injury by gradually increasing body temperature and flexibility. Basic squats involve maintaining proper form and alignment to maximize effectiveness and minimize injury risk. Beginner modifications, such as using a chair for support, can help build strength and confidence. Consistent practice with proper form is essential for progressing to more advanced squat variations. Knee push-ups primarily engage the core muscles, chest, shoulders, and triceps. Maintaining proper form is essential to maximize effectiveness and prevent injury during knee push-ups. Modifications can adjust the difficulty of knee push-ups to suit different fitness levels. Static lunges require balance and proper form to maximize effectiveness and minimize risk of injury. The standard static lunge involves stepping forward with one leg and lowering the hips until both knees are bent at approximately 90 degrees. Modifications to the static lunge can accommodate individuals with limited mobility or joint pain. Heel raises primarily target the calf muscles, enhancing lower leg strength and definition. Maintaining balance is crucial during heel raises to prevent injury and ensure proper muscle engagement. Using a wall for support can aid beginners in maintaining stability while performing heel raises. The modified plank is performed on the knees to reduce the intensity of the exercise. Proper alignment is crucial to effectively engage the core muscles during a modified plank. Maintaining a straight line from head to knees ensures optimal core engagement and prevents lower back strain. A cool-down sequence involves gentle stretches to promote relaxation. Cool-down stretches aid in muscle recovery after exercise. Each cool-down stretch should be held for 20-30 seconds to maximize effectiveness. This cardio workout routine is designed to burn calories effectively. Regular cardio exercise improves overall cardiovascular health. Enjoying the workout is key to maintaining consistency and achieving fitness goals. Jumping jacks are a cardiovascular exercise involving simultaneous jumping and arm movements. Proper form includes maintaining a straight back, engaging core muscles, and landing softly. Low-impact modifications reduce stress on joints by minimizing jumping height and impact. High knees involve lifting the knees towards the chest to engage core muscles. Proper form during high knees requires maintaining a steady pace. High knees enhance cardiovascular fitness and improve coordination. Butt kicks primarily target and engage the hamstring muscles. The exercise involves kicking the heels upwards towards the glutes. Maintaining good posture is essential during butt kicks to maximize effectiveness and prevent injury. Mountain climbers are a dynamic exercise that enhances core strength and overall coordination. The exercise involves alternating leg drives towards the chest while maintaining a plank position. Modifications can be made for beginners to reduce intensity and improve form. Soft lateral jumps enhance agility and coordination. Landing softly during lateral jumps protects the joints. Proper technique is crucial for maximizing benefits and minimizing injury risk. Modified burpees engage the entire body without the impact of a jump. Maintaining proper form is crucial for maximizing effectiveness and preventing injury during modified burpees. The modified burpee exercise involves a sequence of controlled movements to build strength and endurance. An active cool-down involves light movements performed after exercise. The purpose of an active cool-down is to gradually lower the heart rate. Active cool-downs can help prevent muscle soreness by maintaining blood flow. HIIT is an effective workout routine designed to maximize calorie burn. HIIT workouts are designed to improve overall fitness levels. It is important to listen to your body and take breaks when needed during HIIT routines. Full burpees involve explosive power and full body engagement. The full burpee exercise consists of a squat, plank, push-up, squat thrust, and jump. Modifications to the full burpee can accommodate different fitness levels. Jump squats develop explosive leg power and core stability through plyometric movement. Proper jump squat execution requires a soft landing to minimize stress on the knees. Jump squats combine the benefits of traditional squats with the added intensity of a jump. Dynamic planks involve alternating arm raises while maintaining a plank position. Dynamic planks enhance core strength and stability through controlled movements. Maintaining a straight line from head to heels is crucial for proper dynamic plank form. Sprints in place involve high-intensity bursts of energy, simulating the motion of sprinting without forward movement. Pumping arms vigorously enhances the cardiovascular and muscular engagement during sprints in place. Driving knees high maximizes lower body muscle activation and increases the intensity of the exercise. Rest intervals are essential for recovery and preparation during HIIT routines. Active recovery options facilitate faster muscle recovery and reduce fatigue. Proper rest intervals optimize performance and minimize the risk of injury during high-intensity training. Maintaining adequate hydration is crucial for optimal physical performance and overall well-being. Listening to the body's signals helps prevent injuries and ensures sustainable progress in fitness routines. Consistency in training and healthy habits is key to achieving long-term fitness goals and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. The workout concludes with a congratulatory message to the viewers for their participation. Viewers are encouraged to engage with the content through likes, subscriptions, and sharing their workout experiences. Sharing experiences in the comments fosters a sense of community and encourages continued participation.